Hello, in front of me I've got Lexus NX200. In this video we'll talk about how safe this car is. The Lexus NX200t is safe and reliable compact SUV, especially for its model years 2015 to 2017. It performed well in crash tests and comes with Lexus safety system LSS Plus on later models. In crash test rating, IIHS Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, it obtained Top Safety Peak Plus, good rating in all crash tests, and advanced or superior front crash prevention system. Also, it has 5-star overall safety rating, 4-star in frontal crash and 5-star in side crash and rollover for National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. For safety features we've got 8 airbags, stability and traction control, backup camera, blind spot assist. In 2017 models, we've got pre-collision system, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control and automatic high beams. Is it safe in 2025? Still a very safe choice with high crash test scores and durable build quality. If safety is priority, a 2017 model with LSS Plus is the best pick. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.